Come. Me say Tabia, don't trouble you for your money because my husband say paying dues today because I want a little change. Mom, me say nobody mommy. You leave me alone because I got me for you.
You hear that kind of thing, Mom?
What color have you got in? Look a bit big in it. You're cutting down this.
All these things you have to know from now. Any council you go to, any council you go through, and them not tell them something or them not tell them not counsel you. We don't want no man counsel you and beings about how to kiss or sex. That's not counsel. We want counsel about the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Move your bum buckler, who you is? Fuck you thinking? Who the blood clot is? I'm pulling door and let them go. Eat woman in a cheek in a few weeks and grab.
Just drink some more.
You gonna put the sugar in it?
No, a natural way I deal with natural.
You gonna put some natural honey in it?
No.
Honey natural.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Do it discreetly. You know? And just say, some blood apart. You know, you can't wheel there and then shoot there. No. You must have that. You know what I mean? Because I tell you something. You can have events, can help to grasp the relationship tighter. You know what I mean? Yeah. Is that mysterious? I mean, like, you know me,
yeah.
I mean, I check you know, something say,
no bump.
and then it's stink on top of it. You know what I mean? No. To be honest,
I'm listening.
now what you say, don't poop because you want to poop, you know. You understand what I did? Right, because of course, if you're sick, again, I'm going to clean the body, you clean it. But, we still have to step outside and say, babe, no, he's nobody. You know, you can have me there. Go on. You understand what I say? That have a lot to do with things, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, for real, man. I really try to follow up them something.
Yeah.
I'm not share certain fucker with you, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, I don't poop stink now because. No, you understand me?
No, I'm listening.
They don't try to keep discreet.
Yeah, polite.
You know, say again now, I didn't hear this with Ella because you know when I hear this with Ella, no, I use an example. You know, I don't record that each other.
No, I'm not. I promise you. I'm not recording you, I'm recording myself.
Listen to me.
Look, now you can see you.
No, listen to me.
But this is me.
You see, the thing is now, should we have, say something.
You're not gonna tell it?
Should we have a pimple? Should we have a pimple in our face, right? Or should we see two pimples in our face?
Yeah.
Maybe a speed off me, right?
Yeah.
Maybe like moon. With a feel of energy.
Yeah.
And she on vex. But me like blood clot moon. She said me like moon. We take up your foot and cut your nails. No, we'll never do that. We cut your nails.
Yeah.
And we up my man's shaving.
Yeah.
You see, woman, I say, you can't come shave me and smile you, but you're way. No, I tell you. Understand. If you give and take in a relationship, brother. For example, you and Tabia wife. You know what I'm saying? Being not feeling like more Tabia.
Me catch you.
You know Tabia?
Yeah, uncle.
Try and understand me, I try to say. You might feel, you know, feel the energy. You might say, look here, boom. You know what I mean? And you're asking to deal with the fear. In the night morning, say, babe, trust me, in the night morning. You feel like your husband will love you because you should both start to do this. No, I'm understand night morning. They tell me, you know me, I have a woman, I'm saying, babe, so what I say, don't say what you want. I say, give me light. You know what I mean? I'm deal with it. But when you ask me when I'm in the mood, I don't want to even think about it and everything. And you give me attitude like, you understand what I mean? So there's a lot of things that really, me don't have to do.
That's why good when I find somebody can grow with and learn about them.
Right.
And we can understand each other.
Thank you. I feel that you my name.
Me no know.
Yo. Oh yeah, because I'm not counsel. I swear because I think we have to walk around police to come my wedding because of how we.
Yo, trust me. if for me daddy drink pan a wedding day then, it's why they go get hurt. Because he not have no lock and keep on him out.
No, he must sit down. I would have put him a front bench and I put him a roller bar.
Front bench.
He might have a crate of beer underneath in table, you know. I feel him style that he always have to go drink 3 and 4 fast. So by the time all him say something, he might say the wrong thing.
It would never funny, man. Alright.
Oh, to see we choose the worst possible moment.
Hey.
To show him colours because he doesn't have to see have some friends that's very high places like politician, mayor, council, everybody. And when you got event with them, you choose to say certain things and do certain things.
Shit, piss them off.
Piss off everybody, you just not care. You can't if you want to fight him, you not go fight him.
But anyway, we're not straight from the point. What me actually say is some.
What's that marshal that feel better?
Right, good. Eat one more.
Right.
The whole point about what me I say is this. There's in a relationship we grow to learn by wisdom that there's little things in a relationship apart make your relationship differ and grow. So it's like you're there so right now say, babes, come, you can't come cup in here to me. I said, no Sam, you cut them yourself. You know kind of really? And in your mind right away you have this kind of feeling, every word that boy, you know. You don't say blood clot, you don't really love me though.
No, sometimes
Or you know that woman don't love me, that I talk about the negative first.
Yeah, alright.
You get me a deal with? And then again you say, rascal. Tomorrow she asks if you can pass the cup gear, so you go get it yourself. Relationship start pull on the drain. You get me a deal, brother? So the
relationship is a job. Every day you have to show up and tell them and do what you're supposed to do. It's how you lose the work.
well said.
Amen.
Good. So you see the positive part of it now, eh? Your mind. Always your mind. Tell you that earlier when you say your mind is the most powerful instrument. So that's what. She said no, she not in her mood, she not going to do it. You understand what I mean? Instead of you got things, say boy, she not love you and something. I said, alright, babes, me do it myself then. Look up myself.
I'll cut her. Let me tell you something in your life. You see your mind has two sides to it, right? It has a negative side and it has a positive side. Now, if there's an event, something happened, and you in your mind starting negative, your mind itself starts to feel everything negative. So everything will happen bad just because your mind feel it.
Right.
So one book, a really powerful book. The book suggests that you find a partner and mind. So everything I learn, everything negative, you know, by right. Because you walk out and you book it
bad luck.
Bad luck, some whole things are going to happen now. And your mind start feeling this, your mind prepare yourself to accept the smallest bit of error. And you turn it into a big thing and you get upset, you get angry, and things just start going the wrong way. Which your mind can't see that in the beginning.
Same thing, that well said. Hey, you get that? Nice. Well, no, maybe I tell you, I love that because that's kind of, sometimes you explain it easier than me, or me explain it easier than you, but that was well said because the end idea, you know, what I try to do right now is just try to just value the fact that we're there. Right now, at this time, I'm on in the action. You understand me? We don't want to stay myself just a drink and I listen to the rain and fall and the thunder, the roll and clap.
Go get reserved before that.
You understand me? So I want to reason about positive things.
Is there a reason? Right now I go sleep again.
Of course.
If I have 2 hours to sleep, better than the hours at 8 hours.
I'm on top of that, man. Well, at 4 o'clock left around, so get up 6 o'clock and go and walk all day and work in the night. You understand what I say? Anyway.
You see good vibes, you know, if you run from good vibes. Like you see if you're out the road and there's a good vibes, you know, but I run for come home because you know, see you need for the road. Sometimes you can't do that, you just accept it because you never know. You don't have that vibes.
That's why, again, if we there so right now, the only thing me tell myself say, is the Almighty want us to be here right now. Reasoning, I'm doing this.
You know, say this is a one moment, you know. You know, something again tomorrow, you know.
Right.
But you see, we go always having our heavy say, boy, the night, it was as night. And we go always want to have that again, you know. But you know, when necessarily at the same time, okay, you know, so when I have something at your leisure, it don't seem so important. And,
no, you can't. You don't see that way there until you cannot either differ.
That's what I tell you, say, you know, say, the long down this relationship you have, but so better than most of the relationship because guess what? The anticipation when we anticipate when she's not there and I wait for she to come when you just you don't even know. It come like everything start fresh.
But if it's there every day.
Yeah, but she probably get they could be tired and when they could be tired or start misery. You understand? So it kinda strengthen the relationship from now.
Yeah.
So even after we start live together now, we already know everything, you understand? Because whenever they're around each other, we go through, you know, like the worst things and stuff, we get annoyed.
Alright, let me get a random on something else now. Different from what you just said a while ago?
Yeah.
You say this. No, wake up, because this is important.
Me not see them.
Listen to this now.
Me not sleep.
I got challenge a bit, chat a fuckery. You understand me? Coincidentally, putting together the council ability, right? For tomorrow. Now put your mic on. Now first and foremost, I'm going to tell this right. Oh, straight. Belch man, no problem.
No man. So wet.
It's like
You win, man. You win. No, you win, man. You win.
Oh my god, I was recording my baggie.
Your baggie?
You win. Anyway. No, let me tell you this now. Remember this now. It is. I am saying everything as if we are going to concept. Yeah. I don't know the word. But anyway, a few things that we all say now is this. Because we're there, so. I'm going to tell you this now. When you're young, you're rascal. Sorry for the ballad. But it's good for the booking. When you're young, have whole heap ahead. Right? Depends on how life said. I'm going to tell you one thing I say now. Is this. You can't marry to a woman apart in love. You can't marry to a man apart in love. You're not going to marry to a woman and nobody else not like your woman shape and looks. You can't marry to the man and no other woman not like the man look and shape. Put on your gun finger. But what I'm saying is this. You're there in England now 6 months you can't get to come because of difficulty and certain things of your job. Your man there. Listen me good. This is like a country playing your gun on. Right. Right. I mean I can do. Right. And at the same time, you know say you now go masturbate up there. Or to see now go masturbate down here. Me now say you now buy $120 fuck. Word speaking, I can't say me I don't know say word speaking. So me I say to you, this is very important for you, especially you. Listen. Me not say no more you stay man. This is good.
Why did you lie?
I just want to lit. I want to disturb me. Listen me now. I'm not say you don't go up there. I want to look one man in my school and look one cock up. Word speaking and get a one fuck. I'll tell you what I mean. And what I basically say is that we're not joining together for life. So even if it comes from the roadish part, Tosi have to fuck up. Let me use him because he's the man and me a man, so I type on film be first. Just example Tabia. Take care of the big words of man.
For example, uncle.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah, go on.
And you fuck up. I've done your husband already, and if you do fuck up, the whosoever I fuck, I've done your husband already, and if you do fuck up, the whosoever I fuck up with, I mean, that literally means you have to be a woman in particular like that. I can't something else. It can't be that in box your name meaning, word speaking. But if you fuck up at the end of the day, remember, your lifeline is connected now. After marriage. You get me what I'm trying to say? You're not connected, so basically even when it's the most difficult thing in your life you ever do or ever have to do, you're still going to have to find a way for forgiving. Because of that commitment that you made. That vow that you take.
Respect yourself.
You understand what I'm trying to say? Right, because guess what, an idea? A man can fuck up 100,000 times. I mean man literally mean mankind.
But it's a
And
bigger man.
still, what I mean, and still at the end of it become the perfect person who you really want. Because you have to go through that little phrase there.
Yes.
You understand me, I did? At some point in your life right now, listen, being it's good for this. You can, at the end of the 2 years from after marriage, start having a problem with being partying too much, drinking alcohol, and smoking ganja. Because you probably become a doctor, or speaking, or a teacher. And it's hard for him to left it, but at the same time he's trying. And you don't start a problem with him. You start cussing him and don't give him no wife because he might come in higher and that rum or he might drink or he might smoke or he might chill with him friend them. But you understand what I'm trying to say to you? All these things, you have to put down a little bag. I'm not sure if that put in your chuck.
Yeah, we chuck.
You get me what I'm trying to say to you? All these things you have to know from now. Any counsel you go to, any counseling you go through, and them not tell you them something or them not tell you, them not counsel you. We don't want no man counsel you and beings about how to kiss or sex. That's not counsel. We want counsel about the good, the bad and the ugly.
Especially the bad.
You understand me? I did. I talk about say when you come in and beings just come in and feel like I say boy you're not supposed to dip on your phone and then I wonder how the fuck you text you know and give me the phone and you take up your finger and you want and you say boy fuck me wrong. Because my name to do that. I'm supposed to put on for babes, come on. I'm humble. And if you're coming to be a couple, you know what I mean, you're coming and babes good evening and she don't answer because she might upset. She text you, you know, you see saying text you. And you know, no say you know she saying text you. Babes because you don't answer me, you understand what? And she don't answer, you know what I mean? Okay, you don't talk to me, no problem. It's not easy your heart and boil up because you love your wife and you want your life to communicate with you. But at the end of the day, you know, say, bumbo clock girl and you may chat to you. You get me a deal with, you know, straightforward say, yo, what you know, have to be something. You wait it out. You probably have to go down on the bedside and she still not chat to you. But you see, after that, she don't look at herself and tell herself, you know, say, John, no, look how my husband come in so nice last night and just foolishness with me and deal with him. So, you know, you can really, and you know,
we still don't want to cut about this one.
no, you cut me. Me alright with that.
You know, I realize woman very emotional and they cloud in judgment on your situation.
Right.
So
Okay, then.
you are not comfortable saying, but a lot of times, Tabia, you do something out of the emotion that she has feeling, whether it's sad or it's happy, and she might be the wrong thing. So,
I said you're right.
I said the wrong thing. So you have to me know if you realize boy she's very emotional and she might say something that she don't mean to make her jump in the throat and accuse and everything, you know what I mean? Start up a fire or a feud and you want to just escalate and you know good.
Right.
So sometimes you have to be very, very understanding and know say boy wife I go through the everything, like especially for a period of time if she's pregnant. So all the things you know.
Sometimes she
She might even a little bit higher and she feel like she says something and say, boy, I say wife and really she don't really mean it. So they can use it against him, you understand?
Yeah.
You have to just understand support.
Wake up.
Wife is saying that to me. You don't feel good about you. But when I attack him same time.
No.
I say next week, you know, if after anything to me say, baby, you know, say that they need to
Wake up for that one.
May I hear you?
So listen, a quick little. So me go ahead of that. Listen. Make sure me have video. Me go ahead of that now, right? So me tired. Me didn't even have sex now. Cause I will come from work really fucking tired.
Yeah.
So me drop asleep now. In the middle of the fucking sleep, deep sleep now me here. Come in on my side. What I say? Huh? What baby? What? Fargo ya sinor. Huh? Fargo ya sinor. Me can't sleep. Fine. We go again. One next night, you love a story. Drop asleep again. Bloom in my side. Take time, wake up. Realize I say no now. I never ask nothing. I go down, put my head down there so she see for herself. You see next night, I take out my phone and find a recorder and put it right at her head side so and sit up in her bed and I laugh to death. And the biggest bungie they never you want woman draw to blood. But you know the fun part about it? Go to bed and sleep and wake up now. She wake up now, you know? I said, listen this. I'm going to say, Mama, press it. Look who use the sound behind the background sound as an example. Same way, right? Just we're speaking and she listening. And she said, oh, what? I listen, man, I did laugh. And she listened to me and said, oh, she said, man, we don't know what that foolishness. I said, no, man, listen, good man. And she said, fuck, what that? Like a dog, he's like, he can't believe it. He said, no, I'm not snore. And I said to her, I said, listen to me, let me tell you this. If me go on my bed for go sleep, and you get up for go piss, me now I'm going to know baby because I'm going to sleep. And if you are snore in the bed by me, and me want to sleep, me I go sleep.
Yes,
I said, if you were asleep, you would never hear me snoring. You get me idea with? And I say, if you come in and you watch TV or listen to your music, and me decide to say, I go to my bed more and sleep, I go sleep. You get me trying to say?
She's supposed to, if you're snoring, she's supposed to find out if you get comfortable with that and make that bother you.
That's what me I try to show you.
Come on, do that for me.
That's what me I try to show you.
I don't know.
No, just we're speaking really.
I know, I'm troubling him.
So you get me idea with? It's like, listen.
You can't find things to make more time if you
I really want to know if you understand some things that I say. Because as I said, enough things that I say to you come spiritually and enough people might say to you when I tell you. You see, if you get up one morning and you know your husband mouth not fresh, don't fear to tell him, say, babe, you know some more you go brush your teeth, come you like your mouth smell. Don't fear to tell him. You're not going to tell me nobody here. Vice versa. You get me idea? If you get up one morning and you see fucking matter in your husband here and afraid to tell him, say, babes, come here and say, I want to wipe out. Don't, because remember me tell you this. You don't allow nobody else to tell you them shit there. Your ears and nose, you know what I mean? Just word speaking. No, but I tell you. You understand what I mean?
If you say I'm watching news,
no, but you have to.
If me not
and your job.
If me not tell you,
somebody else will walk.
I must say, wait, my money is this and you tell me, how can you know that?
No, you're not allowed that. I love that with you. You get me idea because you know what people think? People think say young people have no future, they have no stability to life.
Sure.
They live, a person who lived 54-year-old was married for them at 19, 18.
Yes,
and live up to that. You think they have beef? They have beef, they have problem ups and downs. But they still remain. I know easy, but guess what? At the end of the day, them grass.
That's why not everybody can marry, you know. You have to be a classic person, you know.
And join together. Because if you're not join together, it's not going to work.
It can't work.
Have to join together. And I know in every event, I can tell her, might be Tabby, I remember when she did young and she had some little problem and me I go to church. And me I tell her I'm a spiritual person and believe me, all I see is just clear. No cloud, nothing. No hindrance, nothing me not see. No science, nothing. I tell her, I'm a spirit, check the whole level already. You understand me? It's like this simple. If it was a regime, if whosoever don't get married, if you got other man first, or no need if you got word speaking. If it was a regime. You get me idea? Yeah. I tell her, my spirit never tell me a lie yet. My spirit never lied to me yet, brother. Believe me, anything in spirit I visualize, me see, that's possible. That's fine. There's no hindrance, believe me. Nothing to worry about. Trust me. So, I mean, that is that.
I'm going to tell you, I never go through we can't solve. Because people are really, people are thought, we have an agreement, so we're not go to people and tell them our business. I understand? No, that. Oh, if Tabby ever make a mistake and go tell me out and just sleep, you know.
Right.
Yeah, Tabby. Tabby to your ass.
I get one answer in the ones.
Me do it.
No, I'm not letting enough for but you have to understand. So you see me now, me's a rum man, I love to drink rum and get a vibes. So you see, if I not drink it, I because I want to drink it tomorrow. So I don't want to go drink, no, I'm going to sick.
No, but I rum and call me about everything good, me no vex.
What's that?
See you there. Chop 1, 2. Make sure you show your girls them say your uncle ugly but he comely. They must know what that means. You know what that means?
I can't wait for the way we just like it. You think I got influence enough people for do it?
I know me as a person. No,
You're part of it too.
No.
Everybody have any respect for me and any love for me, they might feel that way.
Stop it talking. Stop talking.
Everyone
Stop it talking, man.
Because when they see me go up there and they see and enjoy it.
Make him that now, uncle.
And the life and live and everybody go feel jealous. Enough people jealous over me, you know? Just because me know how to live life.
My finger then too long and big for wedding. Hey, me not married. Me not wanna make it brave.
Smart.
Brave people.
Smart.
Me not so brave. Me am bread back. Me not brave. I'm breadfruit.
It's where we have to
Bread
give
back sweet.
You tell me?
Yeah.
It's where we have to give me a rum.
But bread back sweet.
Nobody's not coming and start and chat with you so we can if we want to sleep, I will suppress the sleep. Just
Tabia, hear me I say now. Give me some bleach in the rubber and pass the bleach in the rubber.
I think you're going to do it in the
I'm going to
catch you on the camera.
Never cut you up.
No, I'm for my hand on my face and my neck and so. Talk to me now, wait now, man.
You're going a long sleeve shirt.
Everywhere.
You're going a long sleeve shirt. Do you most of your face
You
and
take
your
a
neck?
nice shower, uncle.
Before,
Yeah.
so I'm not be there ready for a night, not trace me paint up so.
Tell us your think on the sex.
You know you want me bleach though, you want me stay black.
I'm telling you how to rub.
You want me stay?
I'm telling you how to rub.
Take time
Take
talk.
one for a
Let me here.
nice shower first, right?
Naked.
Of course.
I rub everywhere.
Yeah, your bum, your penis, your underarms, your everywhere.
Me don't go and rub a part of the show like me. Me
No,
ankle.
but
Hey.
hey.
Me rub my ankle. Me rub my elbow.
Yeah.
Me rub my wrist. Me rub my face. My neck and my ears. Nowhere else now show me about my clothes. When I rub my penis, I tell me that my penis, say, bro, next time I look on you, I think I want next man penis in my pants. I want it.
You're going to get shot.
Hey, don't do that. What the fucking shot. Don't do that. Don't you do that. Out of order.
Come back it up something.
Hey.
Go for wine.
Imagine if me bleach my lip.
Come.
Look now. Imagine if me bleach my lip.
Yeah.
It turned from black to red.
You know what I'm going to say? I'm going to say a pussy juice to it.
Jesus Christ, you hear? Man, I come apart on your meat.
Truthfully speaking still, there are a lot of guys
Man.
that eat sushi,
What name sushi?
I love it.
raw meat,
Serious?
Like raw salmon,
raw fish.
raw tuna.
Then I am the cooked fish, you know. Listen to me, General. Then I am the cooked fish. And then I am the raw one. They have to have a special type of stomach to do them.
What's that? Look at Uncle face. Uncle is nice.
Mama, napkin.
Sushi nice.
Hey, pick it up again, please.
No, Afikale, Uncle.
You know I know about good fish, man. Let me tell you.
Why?
Me not support the thing.
No. Hey, no.
If me have the bag enough, trust me, I take off the two fish for the party.
And Nemo.
Me know, but me not like him.
I find any door. Oh.
You watch it?
Yeah.
Finding Dora,
You never watch it?
part two.
Honestly,
Yeah.
I think it's the dumbest part 2 ever.
Me not like him. Nemo
I
one
didn't
is
like
good.
it. Nemo was the best. I lost my son.
I'm nothing mad. It's sad. You know,
As
me
a
love.
father's
You know
love,
which
boy.
cartoon really
Dragon Tales.
No.
Bambi.
No, you can't guess. You know which cartoon really take
Fox
me off
and
the
the
feet?
Hound?
No, man, you can't guess me say.
Alright.
Dragon Ball
Happy
Z.
Feet, part 1.
I love Happy
Barry.
Feet. Are you dumb?
Yo, I never see a cartoon movie I love so.
It's true.
None of them.
It's true.
Trust me, man, it's sick. The song,
Happy
the
Yo,
singing.
you need to start. You need to start watch Family Guy.
Sweet. Go on again, sir. Go on again.
I said, move your bumbuckler, who you is? Fuck you thinking? When the blood clot is, I'm pulling door and let them go. He woman in a cheat in a few weeks and grab on her and he fight him. I tell you so Rasta man though, when me on the knock.
Yeah.
What I'm telling you on me knock?
Hey,
Shady has been a
I'm a boss Shady and give him a calendar.
in 2022.
2 weeks on up, yeah. The Shady the boss about the next day, they say, yes, man road. Come here. If you say, when you tell me a surgery, I go to inside, you know, Jesus Christ, what is coming today? If every day I sit there, I can go out and beat the man, come here. Jesus, Mr. Come here. Try to put a vehicle and try to push out this. And open the door, Mr. Come here. Sharon, calm down, calm down.
Do you know who I am?
You never talk later how, and me how media scream out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
First remember I say, Sharon, calm down now, calm down. He might not say no homie, but maybe I go man come and do it and know.
Yeah.
I want to say, you know homie. But if he say maybe he just start as a police or something.
Okay, yeah.
That's why I say no homie.
Yeah.
Whatever why he do, he better say he just act silly. Hey Sharon, you shut up. Come here. If you did it, hey.
Right now, you know. And when we move and go around him, you know, move it, you know. Because we go around him on the other side and in I road same way.
I was see Sharon paved up Ella yesterday. Sharon taking themselves out of the sitting. How it because it was through the Jeep down, yeah? Sharon lift out himself and out through the window, clean up now door.
Sharon, you come down yesterday, you come down.
If the man was in the ball, we're not going to car.
Yeah.
If we didn't have all piece and button like and something we can use and go out there and race up in blood clean and fly back in that car.
Wait.
No, Jesus Christ. No, the devil is wicked. Alright, sir. Let me not talk about when you hear you say I'm going to be in Vicky Smaddy. Yeah, when you have that.
What? But why you feel there? Like how the one did back me come in at the party place when I buy party and I search me with the eye. Search me with the eye and see the bell. And say, oh, you have gun. You have gun. But yeah, you usually kill man at town. I say a blood clot. You think this can kill nobody? You think this can kill nobody? I'm sure the bell. He said, oh, I don't tell you, are your belt a sure? He said, yes, I'm a blood clot belt, but you don't push the clots in this. Me don't see when turn.
No, it's not that way. You know what I do when you I don't need to for it.
See, I can't know.
You can't see something coming.
Yeah.
You don't take as joke. You know what I did?
Oh, you mean?
Because other young boys say, you know, talking to the boys say go beat the boy. No,
man, anytime you see me get that piece about any rats like man, me link with it. I go steal it. Because I don't want good blood clot cowardly. You're going to lick him, not for him to get up. Anyway, me catch him.
No, sir. Hey.
What?
Oh,
anyway, we catch him. We can't defend anybody, really. Can't defend.
The devil had try using it.
Whatever do, check me searching down a town, get me rubbings. Girl I say I do your white out and me love it. Link the thugs them on the town side of public. Bends down, me disguise in a sunny. World boss, white face, black body. When you use, buy your clear with.
I'm in here to buy me a blue knickers because I have to get something blue for the wedding. Something blue, something borrowed, something new. So this is the baggie. She wants me to sports on my wedding day.
I like that.
Yeah, it's
You
nice.
like that, sir? It is nice.
Let's get a laundry.
Okay, so it is.
Yeah. I need to get a lingerie. Watch here. Here they are. Oh, these are 19.
See something?
Oh, yes. Oh, this is nice.
What size?
This is size small. We need like a size medium, but they look quite stretchy. Trying to get a lingerie while Mr. Man is busy. Oh,
Let's try stretch it up and stay this small. Okay, when I smell the one second. Ask some of the first ones.
they're not very helpful in here, you know. Are you busy? Want some help, please? Sure. Do you have any more?
That size alright.
Do you have any more of these lingeries?
Large. In what size you need it?
Large. Yeah, mommy.
Is this big, too big?
Let me see how this.
I reckon it's gonna be too big to feel up there.
Hold the camera. He blocked the
whitey
whole
one?
Yes, please.
Oh no.
What colour have you got in? Look a bit big, innit? Yeah, cutting down the size, so it's alright. The size should be alright, innit? Look too big?
Should be.
For
What size is that?
medium.
I know, it's so fit because large fit me in that.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
These are the only laundries you've got, yeah?
Well,
Let me get my baggy.
But you know what for that?
Get my blue baggy.
oh, it's your wedding?
Yeah.
Who's getting married?
I am.
Boy! Of course.
Yeah, up.
That is good. That is good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dancing me now, everybody bust a dancing me now. Dancing God I say, big up to Boglo. Everybody know ding dong, yeah. Run this country. People love the way rivers dance and move, you know. Everybody pre.
Sweater.
Hi.
Yes, love.
1, 2, 3 piece.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Like fear.
No, sir. How much guy the band? How much you band guy?
Them body hot, them body young.
Seven come on, nigga. One of them.
They the grief, you know.
I have to wait until after. So I come contact Situano today. I'm go buy bleaching soap. Me sit buy them. That's a different kind of.
Anyways, Daddy, that's not our prerogative. Mama Grace to me bad. So what's up?
Wedding in the ear, that's up.
What's up? Say hi. Say hi to my camera.
Yeah, this is my girl getting married.
Listen to me. She have one mentality that one make you understand.
Right.
And you need to pray for your mind.
Right.
Which one?
Come here and talk about if you're not saying pretty if you pay for you. So I made ask her which do you
No, me I say, yeah. Come here, come, Mr. Tabia say. No, come. Mr. Tabia, don't trouble your father for no money because I'm out and say paying dues today. Come want a little change. Mom, I say nobody mommy. You leave me alone because I no got me for you.
You hear that kind of thing, Mom?
No, you're
which use in the table? Put them news to bring him from.
No,
That's what I say.
You know, so to you. Don't you so to you. I said, go tell no, man. Agree with me.
You was I'm home if you produce property.
No, that pay for a long time. I walk up your foot and him bless you with that already. I'm joking, make. Come, make me argue with you. Come here.
Tabia, come. You talk to me. Me give up. To so much I'm talking about it. I want you to put that camera setting. Don't put that camera for him. You know me. I said, I'm sure if I see him right now, I'll check him out.
That's his only problem, though.
I'm not the only one, but the one that seriously me. No, me I want to
Come back over here. Stay over there. Stay over there.
Sorry.
Come here.
I'm not going to the story. I'm so cool. I just want to check it.
Bug your girlfriend from your bumper, big shake it up like. Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what hype life is. Life for me live, tell them that I the nicest. Why me take your money and not style like this? it fake, it still a shake. Bout thump in a face, me still a wait. Maxfield me come from, not a bad place. Some I know you talk.
Same place Tati was in, I think, in one of her old vlogs. What? I remember in here through Tati's vlog. Yeah, old Joes. People look at it.
Put mommy in there.
I'm so excited. Do your intro.
Yo, you don't know it's a girl Melika Skylife in the building. I want to dance. Yo. You look so good. I'm happy.
Sister.
Punky there at school. Punky school right over there, so right across the road. But she
It
don't know
must
what
be
I'm
locked. Oh.
Just now she was talking to someone. I went in the way. She didn't realize. I saw you long before you saw me.
Is it?
I'm excited.
Nice. You look so good. You look amazing. I'm excited. Me meet Skylife. We watch you like all the time.
Yeah. You look even different in real life.
Oh my god.
You look smaller. You look smaller.
You're so tiny. Girl, we watch you all the time. We'll be at home. It'll be 1 o'clock. We're still watching you on Punky. Come to this
Spinach.
natural juice
Much
in bar.
Much again, juice.
To get some natural juice.
Blue.
Sharon's already drinking his.
2.5.
And
Peanut, cucumber, spinach. Put them working out, have you?
what is it?
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. What you want, Night? You choose something now. You want?
I want my one.
Or you want separate?
You buy one for me, Sharon?
Yeah, but we can bring do one same one. Yeah, share it, because two glass strong drink different coming this way. What a feel mixture. Eh?
If you don't want no green juice or...
You can smoothie? Yeah, smoothie. You serve it with ice?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
If you want it like smoothie, you can get the same juice.
Yeah, smoothie, yeah, please. Inside the bit stub, yeah. That's good.
Tell me yourself what you want.
And that, cucumber and spinach.
You don't want no lettuce.
We want it, I mean.
In my one, I want
No, you see one, we mix it together.
I don't want your mixture. I don't want your mixture.
All pumpkin there.
Pumpkin?
Yeah. You can go in and juice too. We say you want spinach.
Yeah, and you put the turmeric in it already?
Yeah. No, I'm not put the turmeric on last.
Oh, okay.
Toggle.
Because you have to look after the car.
Oh.
Look out for which car?
Where do you want next couple of
The car don't lock.
My son-in-law.
All right.
You want anything else to go into?
No, make it cleanse him. There's a game. Tell me what you make him drink.
Just drink some more.
You gonna put the sugar in there?
No, a natural we deal with natural.
You gonna put some natural honey in there?
No.
Honey natural.
Pick some more.
Hey, girl. Wait. Turn here. Wait on me. Come here.
You're too miserable.
One more, baby. Come on, one more. It's good for you.
Not good for you, never tastes like a good for you.
Right, yeah. One more drink now.
This tastes like a poison, baby. I should put the amount of trash in my drink.
It's good.
I done shit all today. You better make sure, see pasta over there.
Pasta late, so what pasta can't wait, can't we?
Go tell him, go acknowledge him. No?
Drink up. Another pasta.
I this and drive, Tabby.
Alright, baby, just drink up now.
It's a force you for drink things.
I'm not forcing you to do nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Don't knock Sharon carrying a pasta. Oh,
Sure, you shoot him.
get it on the vlog. It's my baby, man. Come on, baby. One more for your mother-in-law. She's on the fear now.
Listen, grass go give me.
I'm going to show her. Grab me, baby. One
A
last.
grass juice this, Tabby.
One last.
It
One.
tastes like grass. So pick on it.
Alright,
Pick on it grass and
later.
get me taste and see.
Come, one last drink.
You drink something, see.
Me drink some already up there now.
Let me see.
Wait,
Drink some of him one.
I tried to announce me after you don't want to drink finish
No,
it.
just drink
I
this
drink
little
up.
thing. If you want it. Talk to me now, vloggy people.
They call me Jules. Yeah. So we're at our pastor's.
Right. James
we're
Rice,
at Reverend James Rice Mall office because our first pastor, Pastor Gooden, couldn't do our marriage anymore because
literally.
Like, I don't know what happened, but he's just not available for the day, whatever. Got us another pastor, so we're in this office now. You know how long we wait from him? About 20 minutes now.
I drink our own green juice and I start work from a million now. How about you tell me now?
MiJulsz, the pastor office full of award. I'm gonna show him come. Wow, boss fire rockets.
No.
My husband to be.
When you get skyrockets.
Skyrockets. Alright, what I mean, it's not influencing me now. Beans.
Stuck in our ground like today.
Yeah, man. Comments.
Right.
You know fly off. No. Today one fly off.
Stop to this.
Today one will put next one you fly off.
Okay. You hear? Oh, tell them, Grandma. Tell them. Yeah. All right. Wash the plate.